Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of Life Talks ISM. This is Snigdh, your host for the show, and with me today we have Parth Hitamsaria, who is a final year mining engineering student and who also recently won two global championship. That is one KPMG Ideation Challenge and the other one was Adobe Analytics Challenge. As he was a part of the Indian team there and has won two global championships. So hello sir, welcome to the show.
Hi Snigdh, how are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thank
Okay.
you for having me.
Yeah, it's a privilege, sir. Sir, we generally ask our guests like how is your quarantine going on, and as we know that your quarantine has been good as you are recent like in this quarantine you were preparing for your competitions and you won two global competitions in this quarantine as well. So like let me change the question and just ask you like at the starting when you just came to the engineering college, like all of us do regret that ki engineering क्यों ले लिया भाई. Like, so was it your previous thing that you wanted to pursue engineering, or like it was just influence thing from your parents?
No, it was not influence for me. I always wanted to do engineering. I just didn't know which background I want and what exactly want to do in my life. So, as as every young Indian, I gave JEE and I secured a rank. So, IIT ISM Dhanbad is in Jharkhand, so I didn't want to go to Dhanbad because I am from Jharkhand. I just wanted to go far from my home. But as my rank came, the only college that I was getting was Dhanbad. The only good option at that particular rank was Dhanbad's mining engineering. And so obviously at first it was a bit sad, but as I came to the college, as I met people, and as I learned things that I will never forget in my life, and those experiences, those learnings will stay, and it is still there. Those learnings helped me in these competitions also. So now I don't regret a bit of it. I mean, that rank, I deserved that rank, I know. That rank was for me, and it was the best thing that could have ever happened to me.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, starting from the first year till date, like you just tell us one lit moment every year and one embarrassing moment every year that you faced.
Okay. uh, so in my first year, I think the lit moment was, it was not a lit moment, but it was a new thing for me. I, along with my friends, were sitting in main canteen, and two random seniors called us and they took intro for the first time. So uh, I mean, I heard these things that I heard from my seniors that these things will happen in your institute, and intro ragging, these things all exists uh, now. But that was the first time I experienced an introduction, and it was a very uh, normal introduction. It was not ragging, but I love that thing because I experienced that thing at that moment. So yeah. And I think in second, third year, I think I was a part of ISEC, so we used to go for conferences, and we used to enjoy a lot and work a lot. So a lot of lit moments were there. So I'm not able to recall one singular lit moment. And obviously, in my third and final year, you know that I won two global competitions. So the day of the result announcement, those things were the lit moment for me.
And the embarrassing one.
So there have been a lot of embarrassing moments, but I recall one as of now that in my first year, uh, I mean, every first year is very excited, and every first year student just wants to grab any opportunity that comes in front of him or her, without caring about what will be its consequences and what people will think from those things. So as every student, I even took part in a ramp walk in my first year, and I just went to the stage and I just walked, and it was very embarrassing. I mean, my friends told me that what you were doing at that stage. I mean, no, people were laughing at you, and I was like, I enjoyed that moment. I don't care what people were thinking about me. So that was a bit embarrassing moment for me.
Okay, that's great, sir. Uh,
Yeah.
so, sir, actually, like when we enter the college, the seniors usually ask us to actually participate in clubs and go around and be a part of one club, like other than sitting in a room idly. So, like, what are your opinions on this?
I completely agree with these points and with these people. I mean, even when I came to first year, my seniors gave me these suggestions and gave me these things that you should grab each and every opportunity that comes to you. And to be very frank, ISM has a lot of opportunities. Again, there are two kind of people in the institute. One who sits in his room for the whole 4 years, and the second who remains out of his room and do a lot of stuff, learn from those experience, and I mean enjoy the 4 years along with the hard work. So these club opportunities, these outdoor opportunities, these are the opportunities that helps a person, a new student, to develop and grow in life. So I think these are very important.
Yeah, I also do agree with it as I'm in third year.
Yeah.
So yeah. So sir, like this question is quite contradictory, and so be smart enough to answer this because it two things will happen. Either your attendance will be gone or your degree is in big risk. So like, what changes have you seen in college after our new director Rajiv Shekhar sir replaced Pani sir?
Okay, so there are two most important changes that I want to mention here. First of all, in the education change, people, I mean, students were very casual before Rajiv Shekhar sir. And they don't used to attend classes, and they were like, yeah, I mean, we will pass, we'll somehow get grades, and we'll just get out of this institute. But now people are taking education seriously, and this is a
Yeah.
change that I have experienced. Even I used to attend classes, and when I started attending classes, I realized that these classes are also important. So yeah, I mean, things have changed. And the second thing is infrastructure. I mean, there are a lot of advancements happening in infrastructure and clubs. So our clubs have started getting funding.
Yeah.
Sports clubs have started getting funding. So these things have improved. Yeah.
Okay, that's great, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so like before your team actually won the KPMG Ideation Challenge, participating in competitions was not like such a trend in ISM. Like competition goes and we didn't knew about it. Like the competition just happened. So after you actually won this competition, then the party so then the people were aware of these competitions. So like, can you just tell us like, where do you find those competitions and how do you actually prepare for the same?
Okay, so first of all, I mean, we never thought that we will won and then people will start taking part in these competitions. So it just happened. And we found an advertisement of KPMG in Instagram, and then we read about that thing that it is a competition. So let's take part in it. It was all casual. I mean, we were not at all serious. So as we start getting more recognition and as we start getting into the next level, then we became more serious. And I mean, that is a result. Obviously, if someone from your institute will do good in something, then obviously that aura, that thing will get created in your institute, that let's take part in these competitions and let's do good in these things also.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's great.
And otherwise, there are few websites and few LinkedIn or Instagram pages where you can go and search for these competitions. A
uh,
lot of
can
competitions happen.
can you
Yeah.
just name
Yeah.
name these websites and pages if you remember some?
Okay. So a few of them are Dare to Compete.
Yeah.
This is a website, and also there's a page on LinkedIn which you can follow. Second one is inside IIM. So inside IIM is also a page which you can follow to grab a lot of opportunities. And obviously, third one is Google. You can Google anything. If you
Yeah.
want to take part in case competitions, you just search that case competitions by corporates. So for students, so you will get a lot of competitions from there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's, as we are talking about competitions, so let's move on to your like journey of each of the competitions. So let's start with the KPMG
Okay.
one. So like my first question to you is that you actually took a second year instead of a third year in your team, and like what was the first the reason and strategy behind that? As we know, third year is might have a greater experience than second year. So what was that reason?
So, first of all, I and Sanchit were discussing about that who should be a third member, and a third member should be a girl because it was mentioned in the KPMG report that a girl is mandatory, and we were forming a team of three. So we thought to take a third year, but I mean, the idea was solely of mining engineering, and no one from mining engineering was there in our batch or from any earth science branches. So we thought that let's take a second year, and we found Vernica after that.
Okay.
So yeah, it was not like we selected from a lot of people. I mean, it was very casual for us also. And then
Yeah,
it
you
turned out to
mentioned.
be good. I mean, Vernica is a
Yeah,
great
you.
person.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you actually mentioned it before. Also, it was just a casual thing, and you just participated, and it happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, like, what were your expectations in the starting of the competition? Like, after you actually got selected for your idea, like your abstract submission, what were your expectations?
Okay, so to be very honest, I mean, we didn't expect a thing. So because all three of us, we didn't know ABCD of entrepreneurship. We just took part in a competition in which we got selected. So our main motive behind that thing was to go to Delhi to attend that competition, to present, do the questionnaire round, listen to other teams, experience that particular platform, learn from it, and then come back. We never expected that we will move to the national finals and then to the further levels. We just wanted to learn. So I just wanted to say that never expect from anything. I mean, if you the least you expect, the more fruitful results you will get.
Yeah, like we can just experience the same from our internship and placement season as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I
So
mean, we
like,
should not talk about that.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So my last question to you is, can you just briefly explain us like what were your learnings from each of the stages that you passed on in this competition, and like what were the things that you actually, what were the challenges that you faced in each of the stages that you went? Like briefly explain each of the stage. I mean,
Okay, so in terms of learning, I would like to point out two learnings that I got from these two competitions. First one is hard work, and the second one is empathy. So, I mean, as I mentioned, I didn't know about the ABCD of entrepreneurship, and in the same case with Adobe Analytics Challenge, I didn't have much knowledge about data analytics and those things. So hard work can beat anything. You just have to sit for 8 hours, 10 hours, work on the idea, work on the analytics platform, read the data, understand the business model, and all of those things, and give it weeks, give it 1 week, 2 week, months, and you don't become a winner in a single day or in a single hour. You have to work continuously, and then only you can uh, become something or uh, turn out it to be good. And the second one is empathy. So in these competitions, I think that the main thing is that how can you connect with the people. So there are 5 judges in front of you, and you need to understand that what they want to see, and you have to show what they want to see. It's not like what you want to show. you have to understand what they want to see. So after understanding those things and after understanding what actually they want, you showcase those things and you move ahead.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
So
wonderful.
these are a few learnings that I
Yeah,
think.
that's wonderful. And congratulations once again to your team for winning this. I'm bringing laurels for ISM.
Thank you.
And now let's move
Thank
on
you.
to the second competition, that was Adobe Analytics Challenge that you recently won like last month. Uh, so like so after winning KPMG Ideation Challenge, so and moving on to this competition, like what were your expectations now in the starting of the competition when you just got selected in the top 25 teams all over the world?
Okay, so after getting selected, I expected this time because I have seen results of KPMG Ideation Challenge that after winning something, after putting hard work and after putting empathy, you can uh, see glories. So after getting selected in the top 20 team, uh, I knew at that time that other teams are no better than me. They are just doing the same thing, hard work and uh, working and understanding the project in a better way. So our team put hard work and we just did it. I mean, it just happened.
Yeah. Like the same question as I last asked before in the KPMG as well. Like, what were your learnings from this competitions specifically, and what were the stages? Can you just detail to us in brief?
Okay, so I think I covered the Adobe Analytics challenge in the last answer only. I talked about how we use hard work and empathy here. So
Yeah, yeah.
I'll just answer the next question that what were the stages. So first
Stages.
of
Yeah.
all, we were giving the Adobe Analytics platform with the world data of e-commerce of Nike. So basically, uh, we were asked to understand the web and app data of Nike and then work on it and provide recommendations and solutions on those data. So the first round was just that each and every team has got that data and we need to make a presentation by understanding those data and provide results. We submitted those presentations around, I think, 1600 teams from all over the world submitted the presentations, and then from those 1600 teams they just read those presentations and then selected 20 teams, top 20 teams from them. And then semi-final round happened in which we need to present our whole pitch and followed by a questionnaire round by the judges, by the partners of Nike and Adobe. And then from those 20 teams, 6 teams got into the national global finals round, in which they again presented. The time limit was a bit more, and this time, I mean, the major point is I believe that all of these 6 teams are the winner because obviously we were a point one or point two better than the second and the third one, so we got the first position. But I think all of those 6 teams were marvelous. I mean, they were
Yeah.
from UCLA, Chicago Board, the top 5-10 business schools of the world. So I think they were also really great.
Okay.
And then from those 6 teams, the first position was decided.
Okay, that's great, sir. And again, congratulations to your team and especially you
Yeah, yeah,
being the.
yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, sir, I actually missed one question, like from both the competitions. As you mentioned that presentation and the how you impacted, like the impact that you delivered was the main thing that made you qualify, like the main rounds. So,
Yeah.
what were your plans? Because I think there was no such a good designer in a team, or like what research did you did to actually find out the best presentation that you can deliver?
So I think design is obviously important, but the content that you put in those presentations are more important than design. Obviously, I mean, these competitions, for example, if I talk about KPMG one, so content in terms of what is your technology, how are you impacting sustainability in this particular world, what is your business model, what are your pricing. So if those things are not there, then even if you design the most beautiful presentation in this world, you won't get selected. So I think content is more important than design in these competitions. Secondly, in Adobe Analytics Challenge, obviously, uh, you need to understand the data, you need to work on that data and give recommendations. If you are not able to do analytics in marvelous form, and if your recommendations are not good, then if you design the most beautiful presentation, you're not getting ahead.
Yeah.
Design is something which is important because it just for example, there are two presentations, and the content of those two presentations are equally good, but one has a better design, second has a I mean less beautiful design. So obviously in that case, first one will get a privilege over that.
Okay.
So I think our team has people who are good at design, so we just reach that mark which is needed in these competitions.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, ending the show with the last question, like, what advice would you give to your juniors who are who just came to the college or who are present in the college and wanted to take part in such competitions?
Okay, so first of all, I got to know about these competitions at the end of my third year, so it was very late for me. So for my first years and second years, I'll advise them to grab more opportunities, Google, follow pages, and I mean, there are a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of corporate competitions that happen daily in this century. So just grab it, participate, don't stay in room, do hard work. Even if you don't know about that competition, even if that competition is on finance or in any other background which is not your specialization, it is not at all important. I mean, even I didn't have much knowledge on entrepreneurship and analytics, but as everyone says that you take part in these competitions, you learn from it. Even if you lose, you take part in another competition and you apply those learnings from the last competition in this competition and move ahead. And that's how you will, I mean, grow up. Winning is not important. I mean, learning is more important than winning.
Okay, that's really great, and I hope the juniors see to it and participate in more and more competitions. And with this,
Yeah.
sir, we come to an end to our show. And thank you so much, sir, for being here. Like, it was really nice talking to you and knowing more about your competition journey and all. And we really learned a lot. And yeah, and congratulations once again to your team for winning both the championship, and yeah, and congratulations once again for being like getting a PPO from KPMG.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So with this, we
Yeah.
come
So,
to.
yeah, thank you for having me. I mean, it was really great talking to you, and yeah, it was nice. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Can you just can you just shout out to our audience to like, share, and subscribe our channel?
Okay, so I mean, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And I mean, they are producing really nice content. I saw a few videos from this channel, and I think they are doing really good work. So appreciate, and I mean, just keep doing the good work.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank you.
much, sir. Okay.